So today we're going to be going with a glitter look that I got from Amazon. This glitter, and I'm going to be using the baby skin primer. So I'm just going to put that on. And I'm using my clean hands to rub this in my face. This is some acne free, I think, foundation. I don't know, but so now I'm just using the concealer that I got from Juvia's Place. I forgot how much it was. I think it was like $10, but I'm using that, and then I'm concealing my face. Then I'm getting my beauty blender, and I'm just patting it into my skin, like pressing it into my skin. Don't rub it, press it in your skin. So that's what I'm doing. So now I'm just getting my foundation brush, and I'm just getting under my eyes where my beauty blender can get, and I'm pressing that into my skin so it can be pressed into my skin instead of like the cakey look. So now I'm just getting my foundation brush, and I'm patting it into my skin so I can blend in more easily, because the setting spray is gonna make it set, and it's gonna make my face, it's gonna make that foundation melt into my skin. So I'm just patting it into my skin. So now I'm just using the darkest shade in my Juvia's Palace palette, and I'm just contouring my nose, and I'm gonna contour my cheekbones too. So not with this brush, with my other brush. So yeah, keep watching. This brush too. I'm about to get the setting spray mixed again. Dark brown. And I'm just gonna go all over. Okay, so now I'm just dipping the brush into the dark brown, and I'm putting it where my crease at. So I'm just using this HD concealer because I didn't have no Peel Louise eye primer. So I'm just using the lightest color that I got in my concealers, and I'm cutting my crease. I think I kind of cut my crease a little too far to the back of my eye, but I did good. So I'm just cutting the crease with this color, and I think this color is like, I forgot what color it is. I'll put the link down in the description. But yeah. did my cut crease. It's not all the way done, but now I'm gonna get some setting powder, and I'm just gonna put that on top of my concealer, because I use concealer to cut my crease instead of the eye primer or whatever. I'm getting some soon. I don't have any right now, so I'm just gonna use this, and I'm going to see this how I'm gonna set my eye. I can't wait to put this glitter on her because it's gonna be looking so good. I'm gonna be using this dark shade to give me back my color right here, because I didn't try to do that. And I'm gonna do it on the other side too. I hope I don't mess up, don't mess up, don't mess up, don't mess up. Okay. And now I'm just gonna grab the other side of my cut crease brush, and I'm gonna use the rest. So now I'm just gonna get this silver color. I'm just going to. So now I'm just getting some the clear eyelash glue, and I'm just putting it on my eye. And then I'm waiting till it get tacky a little bit, and then I'm gonna put the glitter on there. I'm gonna apply the glitter with my hands because I don't have a brush. And yeah, I'm a beginner, so yeah, I'm just applying it with my hands. And yeah. Another thing, y'all, when y'all putting this glitter on y'all eye, I looked this up. Well, I didn't look it up. I seen it on somebody's YouTube channel. Make sure you pat it down flat, because you don't want no glitter getting into your eye or into your client's eye, because they will sue you. Not everybody want to get sued. So yeah, make sure you pat that down flat to the skin here, baby. Just like that. Purr. Okay, so now, okay, y'all, my ring lighter might be kind of messed up for the first time, because I didn't know you didn't supposed to pack the glitter all the way down to your eye. So I know that next time, but this is my first time ever doing a little glitter glam look, and I put the glitter too down low on my eye. So yeah, but it still look cute for it to be my first time, period. Give me a couple times, and baby, I'm gonna be the go. I didn't do my ring liner because my glitter was too packed where I couldn't do my wing liner. So now we finna just move on to the lips, because it already got time, you know. And next time I will do it better, and then all I gotta do is put my lashes on, and then we're gonna see how this looks. This, and I'm going to dip into my eyeshadow. Y'all probably like, why you putting eyeshadow on your lip? Because y'all, I seen this video on YouTube, and this girl was using eyeshadow. I'm like, I gotta do this, because eyeshadow for real. Yeah, so I'm using eyeshadow right now, and I like it, but I won't use this all the time, because yeah, no, but it's cute or whatever. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I had a little moment. But And I'm just getting this pink Kiss lip nude color, and I'm just putting it on my lips. And yeah, but let's just talk about how this glitter is popping like this, like honey bunny. Let me tell you, I'm doing good for my first time. Okay, stop playing with me. Okay, stop playing with me. I'm a beginner. Give me a couple more months, not even months, couple more days. I bet you I'll be the GOAT. Period. And I'm a cute little, I'm a bad parent. So yeah, just look at me, just shaping up the lips, and that's period. I'm shaping it up with this pencil. I mean, not pencil. This is stencil that I used to cut my crease. I'm just using that to shape my lips up because the eyeshadow got a little out of control. So yeah, blend it in. Okay. Now we're just using some clear gloss, and I got this from the local beauty supply. Y'all can get this from any beauty supply, long as it's not the thick kind, because I know the thick kind will move your lipstick all around, and your nude and your lip liner will be not right. So get the loose kind. Period. Oh my god, just look at the glitter. Like, stop playing. I'm using the dollar store kind, so yeah. Y'all see that? Yeah, I know. It's the shades. I ain't gonna use too much right here because just a little bit, just a little glow. Then put some right there. Like, comment, and subscribe to my video. This is my first makeup tutorial. I am a beginner, so don't bash me in the comments because I am a beginner. I mean, I am a beginner, period, but I'm doing good. I'm gonna be coming out with pranks, more makeup videos, and lifestyle videos, my lifestyle videos. So thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel. Like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment down below if y'all want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.